Come on, let's paint with some colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Mix them together to get purple, green, and orange too. We put the paint on the brush and we swirl it all around. We swirl it all around on the canvas. We call it art. Oh, oh, we call it art. Yeah, we call it art. Oh, oh, we call it art. We call it art. So many things that we can draw. Lines, dots, stripes and shapes. Let's use chalk, pencils, markers and crayons to brighten up the page. All these colors to choose from, like turquoise and magenta, lime green and sienna. It's time to sketch. We call it art. Oh, oh, we call it art. Yeah, we call it art. Oh, oh, we call it art. We call it art.
Hey everyone, Marvy here. Wasn't that video great? I wish we could watch another. Ooh, I guess we can. Just click here to watch the next video. Could you click it for me? Go ahead.
A tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. I dropped it, yes, on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in the pocket.
A tasket, a green